Beginner's Breakthrough, push-up workout made simple. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're diving into a fantastic topic that many of you have been asking about. The perfect push-up workout for beginners. So, if you've been struggling to hit the gym and started with a push-up routine, this video is for you. Here's a quick breakdown of what we'll cover. 1. Starting position. 2. Hand placement. 3. Shoulders. 4. Hips. 5. Legs. 6. Head positioning. 7. Core engagement. 8. Breathing techniques. 9. Push-up variations for when you've mastered the basics. As I mentioned in a previous video, consistency is key when starting out with exercise and fitness routines, and I'm here to help you make it happen. So let's jump right in and get started on your perfect push-up workout journey together. Before we wrap up, don't forget to hit that like button if you found this video helpful and informative. And if you haven't already, make sure to subscribe to my channel for more amazing content like this. Thanks for tuning in, and I can't wait to see you all next time.